সো দাদাকে অনেক থ্যাংক ইউ যে আজকে আমাদের স্টলে এসছে। দাদা আমি যেমন ভাবলাম না যে দাদাকে এইভাবে দেখতে পাবো। আমি অনেকবার ইউটিউবে সব চ্যানেলে রেখেছি, বাট it's really a surprising for us. So Dada, we are going to present our topic that's work from home. We are from the Department of HR from the Burdwan University. I am Rajan Modi from MBA HR.
Hello, I am Pranamita Mukherjee from MBA HR.
And we are going to start our topic that's work from home. Hope Dada you will like it. Basically, the introduction part, we all know that work from home is an employment arrangement in which employees do not complete a central place of work such as an office building, warehouse, or retail store. Pranamita, don't you think that work from home has become a part and parcel of our life and it's going to be the future trend?
Yes, but not entirely.
Then I will narrate your story of my friend Aditi. One day, it was raining cats and dogs. And Aditi was unable to go to the office as her baby was down with fever. So she decided to call her manager.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Aditi.
What are you up to?
Is the presentation ready?
Yes, sir, the presentation is ready, but my daughter is down with fever from the last night.
I understand, Aditi, your condition. So it will be more convenient if you stay at home and take care of your daughter. I will allow you for work from home today.
Thank you very much, sir.
So Pranamita, what's your opinion now?
Well, Gunjan, but that's just one side of the coin. Let me tell you a story of my friend Sujan, which portrays the discordant blend of his personal and professional life.
Jump.
Once, it was a very hectic day and Sujan was overloaded with work. And suddenly his manager Sabah called him up. Let's see what happens ahead.
Hey Sujan, why you have not deployed the code yet?
Madam, I am facing severe network issue, so unable to deploy.
Don't talk Travis, we already bleached the SLA, I need it now.
Sure, madam. I am looking forward to it.
Then Sujan's wife Sana arrived.
Hey Sujan, don't be couch potato. Help me in washing this.
Are you blind? Cannot see? I am working.
So, Gunjan, what's your words on it?
Pranamita, have you heard the phrase, the glass is half full? I would like to show you a graph depicting the increasing trends of work from home during the pandemic. Here from the graph, you can see clearly that January to July 2021, the work from home tendency has become 35.4 times. So I think that this is going to be the future trend of our future.
Well, Gunjan, here Pranamita will stand for the phrase, the glass is half empty yet. Let me share you another graph where some respondents from Indian perspective shared some unsatisfactory reviews regarding work from home. As you can see, 81% of them stated that work from home has increased their workload. Next 55% claimed that they miss the office ambience, and 48% of them stated that they somehow have been bothered by their family members during the work from home. So, what do you think, Gunjan?
Pranamita, I have a better idea. Let's go to the HR manager and ask for the solution of this dilemma. Pranamita, what are you up to? Hey Kundan, we are absolutely fine, but we are at a trade-off. Oh really? How can I help you?
Then Kundan, work from home has traveled oceans of time with both advantages and disadvantages associated with. Just like flexibility and compatibility are some of its pros, but we can't ignore the cons like poor internet connectivity and increased domestic violence.
Yes, Pranamita, let me tell you that we HR group have developed some policies coupled with the cause of work from home. Like those who are using remote location, we are providing them with modem for better internet connection with miscellaneous pay. This will help the company with delivering the speed without reaching the SLA. So it will be beneficial for both client, employee and the company. Also, the company is looking forward with some spiritual skills like yoga, meditation, fit-to-fit, special lectures on work-life balance, where employees can maintain a healthy balance at their home as well as their office. Thank you so much, Kundan, for your cooperation.
Thanks a lot, Kundan. How would you really do think that work from home has been a tremendous failure in this Silicon era?
And lastly, thank you Dada for watching our presentation. Any comment Dada from your end?
Okay, just I'll give my comments here only. You guys are into a very great career, I will say, a career that is very close to my heart. That is HR, human resource. I just want to say that human resource, মানে যেটাকে আমরা মানব সম্পদ বলি, this is one of the best thing, and we the human have unlimited resources. Just আমরা যখন প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ফিল্ডে কাজ করব, একটু আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে যে আমাদের জিনিসগুলো আগে আমরা বলতাম এমপ্যাথেটিক্যালি, কিন্তু এখন এমপ্যাথেটিক্যালি না, এখন আমাদের কম্প্যাশনেট সঙ্গে দেখতে হবে। we have to be more humane in our approach. তোমরা যখন প্রাইভেট সেক্টরে যাবে কি যারা গভর্নমেন্ট সেক্টরে যাবে, দেখবে অনেক গিয়ে অনেক রুট লেভেল অফিস পলিটিক্স আছে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু এন্ড দোজ থিংস, অফিস পলিটিক্স, ডিভিসিভনেস, এই জিনিসগুলো যখন থাকে তখন ভালো জিনিস হতে পারে। এই জিনিসগুলোর উপর কিন্তু বিশেষ করে HR ম্যানেজারের কিন্তু কন্ট্রোল রাখতে হবে। আমি নিজে যখন চাকরি করেছি বা আমি অনেক দেখেছি, সেখানে গিয়ে আমাদের যে উইমেন ওয়ার্কফোর্স, আমাদের যে উইমেন যারা, তাদের অনেক প্র্যাকটিক্যাল প্রবলেমস আছে। অনেকে হয়তো অনেক ম্যানেজার দেখবে প্রাইভেটে, the women employees, they try to harass them, they keep them late at night for work, বা কোনো বাহানা করে করার চেষ্টা করে। You have to be very sensitive, you have to be very vigilant. To increase productivity, in no mathematical formula, nothing can increase the productivity. Only compassion, only vigilant, only team building, that can create productivity. Remember, our workplace is our second home. We spend 12 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours in our work environment, and we should feel that we are in our second home. যখন আমরা মিলেমিশে কাজ করতে পারবো, we work like your friends. ওই বসিনেস ওইটা একদম নয়। I always say the chair that we hold is temporary. The chair doesn't define us, we define the chair. That is the